the highly anticipated React Native survey is in. This year it had 3,500 responses compared to 2,500 last year. For demographics, most people are ages 20 to 40 and have over 3 years of experience. The majority of responses come from the US, India, and Europe. And what's kind of surprising is only 22% of developers make over 100K. The US is the highest paid region, and India and Brazil are at the bottom. If you want to make more money, you might want to move to the US or try being born here in your next life. And the gender ratio seems to be the same as Magic the Gathering. For state management, I would ditch Redux and install ZooStand. For data fetching, I would just use Fetch API and CanStack Query for anything that is more complicated. For navigation, you should be using Expo Router, unless you're not using Expo, but then you have other problems. For styling, I would use Inline or Styling API. This is because Cursor does all the styling for me. If you want to do the styling yourself, or you just want to look at it, then you can install NativeWind. For my debugging, I use console logs, or I just have Cursor rewrite my whole app from scratch. If you're not using EAS build, you're not living. You don't have to cook Hot Pockets over an open fire. You can just stick them in the microwave. And to submit to the app stores, you don't have to manually upload to Xcode or Android Studio. You can just use EAS build. If you do use EAS build, make sure to run Expo Doctor so then you don't waste your free build credits. The only competition seems to be Flutter, but I don't see a state of Flutter 2024, and it seems like React Native is headed in the right direction, just like this YouTube channel, so might as well subscribe right now.